Forgotten username recovery failed on Citi Fix. You're trying to log into your Citi account, but you can't remember your username. You hit forgot username, follow the steps, and then nothing. Maybe the email never arrives, or it says your information doesn't match. It's annoying, but here's the surprising truth. Citi's recovery process is one of the most secure in the industry, and that's exactly why small errors often cause failures. Let's fix it step by step. Start by going to Citi's official sign-in page and choosing Forgot User ID. Select whether you're recovering for a credit card, banking or loan account because each one uses slightly different recovery details. Next, enter your card number or account number, along with your name and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Be sure to use the same information you used when you first created your Citi account. If you're recovering through email, check all folders including spam and promotions for a message from Citi. It will come from an address ending in Citi.com. If you don't see it, try again after 15 minutes, as recovery messages sometimes take a short delay. If the system still can't find your username, try another email or phone number. Many users forget which one they originally registered. As a last resort, contact Citi's customer service directly at 1-800-955-114. Have your personal information and account details ready for verification. Their support team can manually restore your username after confirming your identity. The bottom line: Citi's recovery process is designed to keep your account secure. If it fails, it's usually because of mismatched details or a missed verification step. With the correct info and a quick call to support, you'll be back in your account faster than you think.